Hello guys, so if you're looking to use Midjourney for creating awesome color books, so if that's the case, you've come to the right place. Because today in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now, without wasting no more time, let's begin. So firstly, as you can see over here, I've already created a few prompts. Now I've shown in both version 4 and the version 5 of Midjourney, and they both give awesome results. So as you can see over here, the thing I wrote is coloring page for adults. So I asked what I want in the book, and it was owl. Now what type of art I want? It was a clean line art. Because what type of owl did I want? It was a clean line art, because in line art you will not find anything between like colors and anything like that. It will be simple pencil line art, as you can see right over here, where people can fill colors and they can make their own versions of art. Now as you can see, I tried this in version 4. So this is the result that version 4 of Midjourney came up with. Now I tried the same thing in version 5 with a different aspect ratio, obviously. This is the result that Midjourney 5 came up with. Now I forgot to mention, I also added the style of art that I want in my coloring book, and the art style is the mandala, as you can see right over here. Now I've done this with a different art as well. So the art was of a tiger, as you can see right over here, and rest of the prompt is the same, and this is what it came out of Midjourney version 4. Now let's say after you've got art that you want to keep in the coloring book. Now let's say you want the version 4 over here. So just simply upscale that by pressing U4 over here. Now if you scroll down and wait for a few seconds, your art should appear over here. Now after your art have appeared, just simply click on it. Then just simply save the art over here. Then save it to a location. Now to creating a book. Now what you can do is you can go to Photoshop or Illustrator and create a book yourself, or you can just simply go to a free website like Canva to create your own books. So all you have to do is just simply search for coloring books. If you have a paid plan over here, you will have multiple options, as you can see over here. But if you don't have a paid one, you can just simply open any of them. They're all the same. So click on a template, then customize this template. Now over here, just simply add a page, then add your art over here. So for that, just simply go to uploads, then upload your media over here. So choose the file, go to the location, to pick the file, then hit open. Now wait for it to upload. Now after it's uploaded, just simply drag and drop the image onto the page. Just like that. Resize the image and make sure it is in the center. If you want to keep a border, you can also keep that. Now as you can see, the first art of the coloring book is ready. Now all you need is a cover page. So to get the cover page, again you can go to Midjourney and create a cover page of your own. I've already done that, as you can see right over here. So you can use any image from here in Midjourney and create a cover art. Let's say I want this particular one, which is the variant 1, which is the variant 2. So just simply click U2, then again repeat the same process and get that image, click on it, right click, save image, choose a location, save, then go to Canva, uploads, upload a file, click the file, hit open. Now wait for it to upload, then drag and drop the image over here. Now fill the image completely. Now if you want, you can keep the text and re-edit the text to your liking. So after you add your text, you can change the font. Now you have completely created your cover image for your book. Now all you need is multiple images just like that for owls. So that's it. Now you have to only create another page, then go to Midjourney, create another art, and then just simply upload them over here, and you can create your own book with multiple pages if you like. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.